Everyone, all right, today is allocation day here at Ifunanya Phase 1, Mbapuoka North Local Government, and we are allocating to Mr. Chris Block D, Plot 3. All right, so and I know Mr. Chris is happy. Please, we would like us to hear from Mr. Chris. Talk to us, please.
Thank you very much. I'm so happy. This is one of the things we are clamoring for. When you buy a land, you get allocated, you get your documents. Okay. When our clients are happy, we are happy.
Yes.
When our clients are happy, we are in business.
Yes.
So I'm so happy today that my client is getting his
Allocation.
today. Actually, I'm representing my clients, two of them. So I'm so happy, super happy. And the Anambra State, with what the governor is doing and all that, the whole place is being urbanized.
Yes.
So this is the right time for anybody to come and invest with P1 Extra. Okay, investing in P1 Extra, it means extra value for your money and extra happiness.